Don't get frustrated. Don't feel disturbed. Allah's rahmah is unlimited. Allah's forgiveness is unlimited. Allah looks for opportunities to shower His mercy upon us and forgiveness upon us. Allah gives us opportunities to get blessings and blessings and blessings. And He says that the blessings wipe out the sins. Allahu Akbar. What? The blessings wipe out the sins. So we should not allow, when we hear strong verses of the Qur'an and Sunnah and Hadith, to let it frustrate us. It was not designed to frustrate us. It was not what? Designed to frustrate us. The Qur'an was designed to make things easy for us. And the reason why I'm saying this, because I know a lot of us have all kind of problems. You may have business problems, you may have children problems, you may have wives problems, you may have neighbors problems, you may have co-workers problems, you may have employees problems, you may have employers problems, you may have money problem. A lot of things we may have. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy is always there for us, and His forgiveness.